Guys, welcome back to a brand new video. And my brother destroyed the house that I made in the part 1. And this is part 2, just to let you know. So before I did this video, I destroyed it. And I'm gonna start over. I'm gonna make it small. So I'm just gonna
Emilio, let me take you outside
just.
and do sunscreen.
This is good.
We're gonna do sunscreen. Come on.
So I don't need a really big because nobody's gonna be in here with me. This is just a private world.
Wait, is Janet coming too?
Yes.
And everyone
Come on up here.
Anyway.
Yeah. They're just coming here instead of us going there. Wait, we gotta do it out here.
So I have 2 pieces of dirt left, but that's okay. And while I was not recording, I also got some more dirt because my brother also picked it up. So right from here, picked it up. So I only need about 4 or 2 more pieces. I know that this is going to be enough. Okay, so I'm gonna go build a staircase in the back. Need a bit more dirt. And so I'm a SWAT in my Minecraft world. If you didn't hear me, I said I am a SWAT in my Minecraft world. So I need just one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. So you ran into some stone over there, or cobblestone. Okay, so I'm about to do the roof. And I know it is a bit newbie, but I don't really care. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Brayden, come get sunscreen.
So
Brayden, come out here.
People are getting sunscreen on because we are at a daycare. Well, I'm at a daycare right now, so you know. Since we don't have any coal, table. I'm gonna take my chest right here. So my chest. There we go. Now I need to go over there to get some wood. But if you can see, there's over there just an extension. I'm gonna go over here really quick. If you look over there, you can see an extension.
Brandon, come out here,
Don't
please.
Okay, so this is gonna end it for my video. So please make sure you watch this on the part 3. Okay. So thank you and have a good day. And please like and subscribe and hit that bell so you won't miss any videos.